Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this video quickly show you technical question as well as possible answer. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, simply ask me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel. I really appreciate you and let's move to the question. How to use for each over an array in JavaScript. So I will show you step-by-step guide to this question answer. So without any delay, let's start. In this way, you solve this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, simply ask me in comment section. I will answer there. So like this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.